Alright, so if there's one thing that you'll be able to find easier after watching this video is finding untapped winning dropshipping products for your Shopify store.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Just give it!
What is going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy Yash. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, then welcome to it. See, the main purpose for this channel is to provide information and value to you guys. And quite frankly, there is so much to eat out of the pie in the e-commerce dropshipping space that I want every single one of you guys to win and succeed. Now, I know finding winning dropshipping products is definitely not the easiest task. I've been in this space for over 4 years now, and it's definitely one of the most challenges, tedious, and time-consuming skills out there, because at the end of the day, you want to go out and find that winning product and scale it to the moon. So just last week, ladies and gents, I was actually able to land upon a winning dropshipping product, and in just about a few days, I was able to scale this product to almost $1,000 a day. And in this video, I'm exactly going to show you what I use to find this untapped winning Shopify dropshipping product. Now, this tool is rather low-key and not a lot of individuals actually know about Tide, but this is the platform, this is the tool in which I found my 1K a day, at least for now, winning product on. What is different about Tide is that they actually give you hand-picked winning products every single week. There are e-commerce experts doing due diligence, product research, product validation. You'll even see myself over here and a bunch of other people. But like I said, they really spend their time and look into these products, and then as a result, they post it on the platform for e-commerce individuals, for dropshippers like you and me to go out and test these products. So one of my absolute favorite things about Tide is its user interface and how easy it is to navigate and find potential winning products to sell on Shopify. So underneath product features, as you guys can see, ladies and gents, you can actually sort by title, by date, and by price. Low to high, high to low, oldest to newest, newest to oldest, Z to A to Z. You have all these options. I quite frankly just keep it at default and do not touch anything, but that is there if you guys do want to mess around with it. Now, when it comes to date added, I only want to look at products in the database over the past 60 days or 2 months inclusive, as these products are very fresh and very naive in the dropshipping market, right? They don't have a lot of saturation or a lot of competition attached towards them. So with that being said, let's do October 7th to December 7th, 60 days. When it comes to category, now depending on your predominant advertising or marketing platform, you can choose either or, but nowadays, every product that works on TikTok can really work on Facebook, and a lot of products that do work on Facebook can absolutely work on TikTok. Speaking from experience, I've been utilizing TikTok more and more over the past few months, and the market and the platform is definitely developing and expanding. So I'll just keep that as default to get the maximum number of products available in the market overall. When it comes to price range, I usually do $2 to $50. Now, this is what you should absolutely be doing if you are a beginner or intermediate player. These are more lower to lower mid-ticket items, as they're more impulsive, and there's less of a guilty feeling or association with these kinds of products. They do very well on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. At the end of the day, these are platforms that consist of interruption marketing, and you want to go ahead and have people decide as quickly as possible to go ahead and buy that product. So my sweet spot over the past 3-4 years, I've been in the dropshipping space, have been selling products between $20 to $50. So that is typically what I recommend. And also, you will also attain a lower cost per purchase or cost per acquisition for products in this price range when it comes to selling price, which means that you have to spend less money to allocate a customer, or in other words, actually get a purchase and further establish proof of concept and validate that product in order to decide if you want to scale or not. Now, for markup, I recommend at least being able to mark up a product 2x more the original cost price per unit. In this case, you have a little bit more cushion and you have more flexibility, and as a result, you can also achieve a lower break-even point ROAS, the ROAS that you need on paid advertising platforms to break even on a campaign, ad set, or ad. And then last but not least, this is kind of also my rule of thumb on AliExpress. I like to only go ahead and see or look at products that have a maximum of 5,000 orders. Now, this isn't a make or break, but this is also what I look on AliExpress. And again, anything over 5,000 orders, you typically want to go ahead and absolutely avoid. So once we scroll back up, you can also see that you can actually search products. So let's say you find a product and you want to go ahead and search it on Untitled to see more information about it. That is something you can do about it as well. On top of that, it also shows you what platform that product is doing super well on or can do super well on. So for example, Facebook, TikTok, TikTok, you basically get the point. But based on the filters that we just went ahead and did, you can see all these different products in every single niche out there: outdoors, kitchen, personal and self-care, pets, beauty. Again, the list goes on and on and on. And again, these are very unique, untapped products that your typical dropshipper doesn't really go ahead and think about. I do want to go ahead and go back on the first page. I can do this all day. You can check it out at your own time. But this is the product I want to talk about, this heavy duty torch lighter. This is a product I'm currently working on scaling. I'm not scaling it too heavy just yet. I'm going to wait till the holiday seasons pass out because the bidding wars are very, very, very high right now. So once all of that competition lessens, I will go ahead and scale this to 3, 4, 5K a day, so on and so forth. But this is the current product I'm scaling, like I said. So real quick, just for the first 5 days, you can see on day 1, we did about $253 in sales. Now I started with only about $100 to $125 a day in ad spend. Day 2, we did about $294. Then we went back to $189 as we cut back on some ad sets. Day after, $475, and then 811. Yesterday was actually one of our highest days. Tomorrow will definitely break past 1K a day in sales. And then just so you guys can see, this is the product I'm currently selling. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and block out the name of the store because it is included in my product title, but I actually labeled it as portable solar torch. And you can see that we have 57 units sold in 5 days and 39 total orders. Now, what's great is that not only does it give you the name of the product in which you can play around just like how I did, it also gives you some great product images. Product images are so important for having a good conversion rate, let alone a good first impression when a customer lands upon your product page. So these are great for website and for social media purposes. You can also see some great analytics, approximate cost price, approximate selling price. I am selling one for about $35 to $37 depending on the variant, the markup, and also the number of orders, reviews, and ratings. You can see that Untitled only adds products that have very good ratings and very good product quality. We can also see the competitor. This is actually my current competitor. So you can go ahead and do some competitive analysis when it comes to that, gain some ideas. And then it also will give you some product targeting recommendations. Not to mention, guys, this is one of my favorite parts. It gives you the entire product descriptions. I mean, of course, you can edit and tweak it as you'd like, but it does save you a lot of time and energy. Not only that, but it gives you the ad copy for Facebook, for TikTok, for Instagram, for any media platform, and also the ad creative as well. It actually gives you multiple, right? And you can actually go ahead and download those creatives and further edit it, maybe add your watermark or logo or any captions that you go ahead and might want to add. So overall, it really prepares you to streamline the process of not only find the winning product, but also having all the resources, tools, and proper information that you need to go ahead and execute the product and further test and of course scale it. Now, the last thing I want to mention is that Untitled actually gives you access to 2 daily winning products. So that way you can fill your arsenal, your pipeline of quality products to test on a week-to-week basis. And there you guys have it. That is exactly on how I went ahead and was able to find my winning dropshipping product. Believe it or not, but Untitled is one of the few tools that I use for my dropshipping business when it comes to product research and validation. I think what really distinguishes Untitled from every other product research platform, tool, and software out there is that Tide gives you hand-picked winning products every single week. And on top of that, just like how you guys saw behind my computer, you also get interest, competitor links, product descriptions, creatives. You already have all these tools and resources to support that winning product that you actually go ahead and find, so you can go ahead and maximize your return for that product long term. So with that being said, I think Tide is a great investment for and in your Shopify dropshipping business that you'll definitely see both short and long term. So with that being said, ladies and gents, definitely check out Tide. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. And don't forget, they only take a limited number of users every single month. So there is that exclusive factor towards the platform and its surrounding community. As always, if you guys do have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, then feel free to drop them in the comments down below, because I do reply to each and every single one of them. Furthermore, check out all the links and resources in the description down below, as they can and definitely will be very, very helpful for your Shopify dropshipping store. Other than that, ladies and gents, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate the support.
I appreciate that.
Remember to keep working hard, and more importantly, continue being awesome. Until the next one, your boy is out. Peace.